Welcome, dear students. Today I am going to discuss some important questions related to exam and some tips for your answer writing. So, here are some questions for 2 marks in which you have to write at least 10 to 15 lines of each questions. First questions is explain four segments of the environment. Second is what is meant by a natural resources. Third question, what is meant by the term pollution? Next, what is climate change? What is meant by ozone depletion? Next, what do you mean by environmental education? And last question for section is name various scheme launched for women education in India. Here is a set 1 for a set 1 paper and some 7 question are also there. We will discuss here. First one is explain sustainable development, explain 4 R's in SWM, define the term pollutant, explain the greenhouse gas effect, what is acid rain, discuss the objectives of Air Pollution Act, what is the role of NGO in environmental protection. These all questions are of 2 marks. So keep remember 10 to 15 lines only with proper headings. Next is section B for 7 marks. You have to write at least 2.5 pages minimum for each questions. Define ecology and ecosystem. Explain various components of an ecosystem structures. Next, what are non-conventional energy resources? Discuss the types. Next, what is water pollution? Explain causes, effects, and control. Next question is what is acid rain, causes, effects and remedies? All questions are very important, so keep remember you have to write properly and learn properly. Next question is discuss salient features of the Environmental Protection Act 1986. This question is very important. Almost every semester it comes. Next sets of questions are explain ecological pyramid and its type, draw and explain the carbon cycle, what is air pollution, explain causes, effects and control, what is global warming, causes, effects and control, explain environmental education objective and principles. Same as for section C, define environmental impact assessment, EIA, very important question. Next question is what is a balanced ecosystem? Explain components with examples. Discuss the need for public awareness for environmental conservation. Draw and explain the nitrogen cycle. You can also learn like carbon cycle and sulfur cycle also. Next question is explain waterborne diseases and fluoride problems in drinking water. What is a noise pollution? Explain its source and effect. Define waste and explain methods of solid waste disposal. What is soil pollution? Discuss its sources. Explain the disposal of solid waste with advantages and disadvantages. Next set of questions are explain the greenhouse gas effect and its correlation with global warming, discuss population explosion causes and effects, define automobile pollution causes and sources. Next question is explain the ozone hole causes, effects and remedial measures. These all questions are from unit 4. Next set of questions are from Unit 5, like explain the role of NGO in environmental protection, explain Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, explain the role of women education in environmental protection. Next question is why is the Environmental Protection Act 1986 called an umbrella act? Discuss its main provisions. As you know, 1986 environmental protection is very important. Here are some tips for answer writings like attempt all the questions properly. First, attempt the question which you can answer best. Use proper diagrams and flowcharts to enhance answer. Use a black or blue pen for headings to make them stand out. You can also use a marker pen for headings. Last tips is write at least 10 to 15 lines for 2 marks question and at least 2.5 pages for long questions. Thank you.